Did you know that the India's constitution not written in a single day? It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. After the British decided to leave India, a big question arose. Who would make the constitution of independent India? To solve this, the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946 proposed the formation of the Assembly, whose main objective was to frame the Constitution of India. Initially, the Assembly had 389 members, but after partition, its strength was reduced to 299. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946 at Council Hall, New Delhi, and Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was elected as a temporary president. On 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent president of the Assembly. Next came a historic moment. On 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru moved the objective solution which laid down the vision and guiding principle of the future constitution. It was adopted on 22 Jan 1947 and later became the basis of the preamble. Since writing a constitution was a massive task, the Assembly formed several committees. The most important was Drafting Committee, constituted on 29 August 1947 with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. On 15 August 1947, India became independent. After partition, the strength of Assembly reduced to 299. From this day, the Constituent Assembly became a sovereign body and free to frame the constitution without British control. The first draft constitution was published in Feb 1948 and the final draft was introduced in the Assembly on 4 November 1948. Finally, on 26 November 1949, the constitution was adopted. However, it did not came into force immediately. To honor the Puran Swaraj Day of 26 Jan 1930, the constitution came into force on 26 Jan 1950 and India officially became a republic. And Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of India. During the debate, 7,635 amendments were proposed, out of which 2,473 actually discussed. The Assembly held 11 sessions, 165 meetings, and the total cost of making the constitution was approximately 64 lakh. The constitution contained a preamble and 395 articles originally in 8 schedules. It is written in Hindi and English and the original copy of the constitution is handwritten. The constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. The constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. So this is the complete journey of the Constituent Assembly of India.